Oh my god, is that Leo's truck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And we're at Rally's. Damn. I missed it. Okay, so that's what I've got so far. Keep in those, I'm just trying to keep in the lines, you know. It's so corroded, so I just replaced it and fixed the wiring. As you can see, the lights are working again. Okay, this one kind of looks a little bit better.
That one? You think so?
But these are like new colors. Yeah, that's pretty good. Gosh, that's amazing.
Is there more left? No, right there. No. If you want some more, we can make another one. No. Olivia can make a small one, I think.
Oh, honey. Okay, there we go. Take drink. Take drink. Oh, take drink. Almost spilled it. Looks good though. Hey, 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 hey.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do, sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
No, don't run out of battery. Anyways, we finished the video. My wireless headphones almost ran out of battery. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.